We've seen how in the last 15 to 20 years, the impact of information communication technology has had in the way that we live in cities. We've got over 40 billion connected devices worldwide. We're collecting more data than we've ever collected before. And with all this data and all this processing power, we now have incredibly smart computers. So meanwhile, with all this amazing new technology, the way that we plan cities is still firmly stuck in the 20th century.
Future Cities Catapult is a technology and innovation centre partly funded by government. Our mission is to bring together cities, government, public sector and private sector to understand how data, design and technology can reveal new ways of managing and living in the city today.
We're trying to imagine what the planning system in 2050 could be like. And we envisaged that this would be working around a 3D live simulation of the city. We're calling this CIM, City Information Model.
We're already seeing how some companies allow citizens to view new buildings before they're built. And we also think there are possibilities to enable people to chat with the planning application of that new building, to understand how much affordable housing it will deliver, how much green space it might deliver. We've also been working with the Centre for Advanced Spatial Analysis to understand what combinations of data are most valuable to city planners, to citizens, to people running parks and open spaces. Whilst CASA have shown us some of the things that can be done combining visual models with data, we think there's much more that can be done through this. For example, Improbable are a gaming company who are starting to make city information models and simulations at a very large scale using very sophisticated computing power and data science.
This is the largest simulation of its kind ever created. This is a complete simulation of an entire UK city. Its telco network, its power grid, its transport network, its sewage systems, its housing demographics, even the way in which people move around and interact with the city. And it's able to run in real time using Unity for visualization and interaction with the simulation.
The way we plan cities today, it takes about 4 to 5 years to actually produce a plan. By the time these plans are done, these plans are out of date. If we have the city information model, architects and developers will be able to test their proposals before actually building them.
We think that a city information model should be valuable for a number of different actors in the city. So citizens can understand what's going on in their neighbourhood, can view and query planning applications as they come in. Developers can use the city information model to test their planning applications. And politicians, as part of their manifestos, can provide a simulation of what they believe their policies will achieve and show how that will play out in the city information model.
The main challenge for us as a developer at the moment is the enormous amount of information that we have to give to the planning authority with our planning application. So from the developer's point of view, it'll be much quicker and cheaper. And from the planning authority's point of view, exactly the same as well. The primary beneficiaries are actually citizens, so I think it will drive a much more informed debate about development proposals.
A planning system of the future would be a lot more agile and a lot faster to basically both produce and to tweak and to change. And we envisage this would be done based on outcomes. Rather than counting only numbers of homes and numbers of jobs, we can actually start measuring health, well-being and happiness.